Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to understand about the nature that surrounds us. It is a fact that we have all come from the nature. One day we will be integrated with the nature once again. It is a fact. We cannot understand nature directly. We can understand nature only by understanding ourselves. Now, the consciousness is common to all the human beings. All the human beings throughout the world are going through the same problems like anxiety, fear, insecurity. All the psychological problems are common to the whole humanity. This is to be addressed. To understand our own feelings, thoughts, inward reactions, we have to understand our own thoughts. It is very much necessary to understand ourselves first. Then only we will be able to understand the nature. The very same day we have separated ourselves from the nature, all the problems have started. We think that we are separate from the nature, but it is not true. We are the part and parcel of the nature. First of all, it is our responsibility to understand what part we play in this scheme of things. Our life is very precious and important. First of all, we have to understand our life. Life is spiritual. Life is divine. Life is marvelous. Through all these scientific developments and advancements, we could not understand what is life. To understand what is life, we have to understand our own thought process. Thought process are mechanical. Thought is a material process. Thoughts are transient. So we have to have first-hand knowledge about our own thoughts. Thought is the only instrument of inquiry. Thoughts can make our life or destroy our life. Hence, it is very important to understand our own thoughts. Understanding our own thoughts, we will be able to understand the nature. If we fail to understand our own thoughts, we will not have any relationship with neither nature nor with the fellow human beings. As we have separated from ourselves from the nature, all the problems have come into. Because of this, we are facing terrorism today. Why terrorism is spreading? Since we have lost the good relationship with nature, we are going towards terrorism. It is said that children are not to be taught with religions, but from the very beginning we are teaching children about the religions. Religions try to impose upon ideas which are not verified scientifically. Hence, blind faith and superstitions are prevailing on the people. For this, we have to be careful about our own thought process. If we observe our own thought process, we will be having a better relationship with the nature. Then we will be able to understand the significance of our own life. Instead of religion, we have to focus our mind on what life is. We have to learn moment to moment from the life. Life itself is the greatest ever teacher. We are the teacher and the student. As far as life is concerned, nobody is the authority. Life is the only authority and the teacher. We must be ready to learn from life. Then our life will become miraculous. Then our relationship with nature will be on the true sense. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of life.